Hello, welcome to today's video presentation. My name is Leonard from Leonard.com, and in today's video I'm going to review to you how to make at least 100 to 500k on a monthly basis using the e-commerce platform that I am going to reveal to you. I've been on the online space since 2012, and I can tell you in this video, my dear friend, that e-commerce is the way forward, and it will only be the way forward for those who know how to go about it. Now, you are seeing this video right now is because you need money. I don't know how much money you need. I don't know what your goals are. I don't know what your target is. I don't know what you are actually looking for online, why you want to really make money. But what I'm going to reveal to you in this video will work for you if only you take action. Now, the difference between a poor, smart, and educated man and a rich illiterate is the information they have. Now, the reason why a lot of persons will remain broke in 2020 and beyond, except you watching this video right now, is because of this information that I'm going to reveal to you in this video. And this will only work for you. It will only differentiate you from the other 99% out there who will remain broke if only you do what the video asks you to do, that is by taking action. So my dear friends, the thing is, the difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich have access to information that the poor don't have. Or even if the poor have the access to the information, they have access to it late. So what I'm going to review in this video is how to actually make money, at least 500k on a monthly basis with an e-commerce platform. And one will be asking, what is an e-commerce? Well, if you don't know what an e-commerce is, let's say an e-commerce here, where the word e-commerce is a combination of two words, E, which stands for electronic, and commerce. We all know what commerce is. Commerce is the act of buying and selling. So if you have been involved in any online transaction, if you have bought anything at all online, that means you have been involved in an e-commerce transaction. So e-commerce simply refers to any form of business transaction conducted online. Any form of business transaction that is conducted online. That is what e-commerce is all about. And maybe you are wondering that, okay, if that be the case, do I need to set up a platform like Amazon, like jumia.com.ng? No, you don't really need to set up. You don't even need a website to actually start making this money. And that is the essence for this video. So if you give me a few minutes of your time, I am actually going to review everything to you step by step, and how you too can start earning such money starting from today. Now, you will all agree with me that the coronavirus pandemic has affected a lot of things, either positively or negatively. Now, with the coming of this particular pandemic, a lot of things, in fact, since I was born, and I don't think it has happened in the history of the world, this is the first time that the world is kept on a standstill, and you watching this video right now might have been affected. Either your work, your business, or whatever you are doing has in one way or the other been affected. During the pandemic, schools were shut down, churches were shut down, mosques, airport, all public gathering, marketplaces, businesses, everything. So I'm very sure that you watching this video at this particular moment has in one way or the other been affected, either at your workplace, in your business, or any other thing you've been involved in. And right now you are looking for a way to supplement your income. Well, I have good news for you, because the coronavirus actually, what it's pointing at is one mega revolution, and that revolution is the internet revolution. And that is because everything is going online. And that is why the e-commerce platform is becoming more popular and popular. So the earlier you key into this platform and start making ends meet from it, the better it will be for you. And that is the essence of this video. So introducing the Chy Mall e-commerce platform. Chy Mall e-commerce platform. Now, Chy Mall, as I'll be showing you shortly on the site, is an e-commerce platform, is a shopping mall, an online shopping mall, just like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Konga, Jumia, and the rest. But the case with the Chy Mall is that it gives you an access as an investor, as a partner, to start making money while you shop. Alright, so here I am on the Chy Mall website, and I'm going to explain everything and how you can start making at least 500k using this platform. You might have heard of it, either a friend has introduced it to you and you didn't pay attention, but my aim in this video is actually to explain to you what you need to do and how you can start earning from this platform. So this is what the Chy Mall website looks like, and I will explain everything in details for you. Now when you come here, you have access, just like every other e-commerce platform you might have seen, is an online shopping mall. You can come here and shop for anything and you get it shipped to you, and you can go pick up all your product. So you can shop for any product at all, whether bags, clothes, anything at all you want to shop. You can come to Chy Mall and buy product of any of your choice and get it shipped to you. So how do you make money at least this 500k? Does it mean that you'll be selling clothes, you'll be selling bags, you'll be selling shoes and the rest? No, you are not selling any product. Well, as an e-commerce platform, this is what they actually do. In order to make 100 to 500k with this platform, you don't need to sell any product. You don't need to sell any of these products that are listed here. You don't need to sell any clothes. You don't need to sell bags. You don't need to sell shoes. But all you are doing is you are becoming a partner. You just subscribe to become a partner of the Chy Mall platform, because they actually give opportunity for people to partner with them, those they call the VIPs. And in order to become a partner, there are various levels of the VIP where you can join with. You can join, it ranges from VIP 1 to VIP 6. As a partner of Chy Mall, as a partner, a VIP member of Chy Mall, there are various levels at which you can start making money from the Chy Mall platform. But in this video, my aim for this video is just to show you just one model of the ways you earn money from Chy Mall. So my aim in this video is just to show you how you can make at least 100 to 500k on a monthly basis without doing anything, using this platform, just investing your money in this platform called the Chy Mall platform. So basically, the different levels of the different VIP levels of the Chy Mall are from VIP 1 to VIP 6. So as you can see on the chart here, these are the different levels of joining or becoming a member of the Chy Mall from VIP 1 to VIP 6. And when you look at here, to become a member, there is actually a registration fee, and then there is a trading capital. Now, Chy Mall, just like any other MLM company, actually allows you to build up your team. And when you build your team, which is what I'm going to help you do, you don't need to bring anybody to actually start making money with Chy Mall. But as a member of my team, because we have video presentations, we do our businesses online, we keep registering people under our downliners. So all of those who are joining under us stand the chances of earning other people joining under them without you bringing anybody. But anyway, this video is not about building your network. It's about you investing your money and making at least 100 to 500k on a monthly basis. So all you need to do is to become a member, a VIP member of the Chy Mall. The first VIP level here is $25, which is equivalent to 9,500 naira. Now the conversion rate on Chy Mall is $1 is 380 naira. So that is why it is 9,500. So you become a VIP 2 member. With a VIP 2 member, the only way you earn money here is by referring other persons to join the platform. So the only way you can make money with the VIP 1 level here is to bring other people to join under you. But from VIP 2 to VIP 6, you don't need to recruit people to make money. So the total capital you are joining for VIP 2 is 53,200, which is $140. That is your trading capital and your registration fee makes up this money. And at the end of the day, you are getting 5% of your trading capital every 10 days. So profit after every 10 days, you are just placing a trade. Now, how the platform work is you buy from the new retail system, which the Chy Mall introduced. You buy from the new retail system and you ask the Chy Mall platform, the shopping mall, to sell those products you are buying for you. And after 10 days, the product is sold and your money is returned back to you. Now, the good thing is that the capital and the profit are returned back to you. If you say you don't want to do anymore, you can withdraw back your capital and the profits that are on it. You can withdraw back everything 100%. Nobody is saying it must be 100 days before you withdraw. It must be a particular month before you withdraw. So whatsoever you earn on the Chy Mall platform, you can withdraw it and you can withdraw back your trading capital. So in 1 month with this VIP2 package, you are earning 7,980 naira. In 7 months, what you'll be getting is 50. That is, in 7 months of being in this platform, you might have gotten back all of your earnings, the money you invested. And in 1 year, you are getting like times 2 of the money that you invested. Likewise, the VIP3, the VIP4, the VIP5. So in VIP3, you are joining with 106,400. Your 10 days earnings will be 5,320. Your monthly earnings will be 15,960. And your 7 months, all of them, and it continues that way. Now you might be wondering, how is this 500 in every month? Well, just give me a second because I'm going to show to you how you can start making money, at least that 100 to 500 every 10 days, every month, using this platform. So what I'm about to reveal to you now, this is just a chart that shows you how much you are joining with for each account that you register on the Chy Mall platform, and how much your potential earnings are, what you'll be earning if you join this platform. Now, how do you make at least 100 to 500k using the Chy Mall platform? Well, Chy Mall platform actually allows you to register more than one account. It allows multiple accounts. So my strategy for earning at least 100 to 500k monthly starts with the VIP4 to VIP6. And the way you can earn that is by joining with 3 profit center. You can join with more than 3 profit center. I know of a man who registered 48 accounts in 1 day. I know of people who have 7 accounts. I know of people who have 24 accounts. It all depends on what you want. So, but in this video, what I'm explaining how you can be able to earn at least 100 to 500k monthly is by joining with 3 profit center. That means you join with the VIP4. VIP4 cost, the total cost of joining with the VIP4 level is 319,200. So you join with this. The first level is you, the second level is you, that is at your right is you, at your left is you, and you'll be placing trade using these 3 accounts, and these 3 accounts will be earning you money every 10 days. Every 10 days you get your profit. Every 10 days you get your profit. And for any reason you decide not to continue, you can always withdraw back. That means with the VIP4, every 10 days you are getting 15,960 naira. So if you get this for the first level, your first account, you get this from your second account, you get this from your third account. On a monthly basis, what you'll be earning, that is after 30 days of trading, what you'll be earning is 143,640 naira without referring anybody. So the total money you are investing to actually make this amount is 957,600. And what you'll be earning every 10 days is 47,880 naira. If you trade twice, which is 20 days, you are earning 95,760 naira. And on a monthly basis, what you are earning is 143,640 naira. Now, you may be wondering, well, is the profit not too small? Is the percentage not too small? My dear, we are talking of a genuine business that will pay you for life. I'm not telling you to come and invest in a Ponzi scheme that will give you 100% of your profit after 10 days. But in a genuine business, this kind of money is what your bank will not give you, even in 1 year. So let's say you put ₦1,000,000 in your bank. The interest rate, the annual interest rate in your bank will never be up to 104. But this is a monthly stuff. This is a monthly stuff, and whenever you decide that you don't want to continue again with Chy Mall, you can always withdraw your capital plus the profit, and you go and the money will be sent directly to your bank account. Now this is for VIP4. Let's say you want to trade, do this exact strategy with VIP5. Now the total money you'll be investing in VIP5 is 1.9 million, approximately let's say 2 million naira, and the money you'll be earning every 10 days with this is 95,760 naira. Every 20 days you'll be getting 191,520 naira, and on a monthly basis you are getting 287,000 naira on a monthly basis. So the secret for making money without referring anybody, without bringing anybody into the system, into the Chy Mall system, is by investing your money in multiple accounts. Remember, it is an e-commerce platform. They have other business. I will leave a link below where you can go ahead and read more about Chy Mall and find out more about other businesses they are into. But my aim here is investing in this platform that is into e-commerce and making money. Now, let's say you decide to go with the last level, which is the VIP6. The total money you'll be investing in this level is 3.8 million naira, approximately 3.9 million naira. That's what you'll be investing. And what you'll be earning every 10 days in this business, that is with just three accounts. Like the man I said invested 50 million naira, that is over 48 accounts of this same VIP6 levels. So every 10 days, what you are earning here is 191,520. Every 20 days, you are earning 383,040 naira. And then on a monthly basis, what you are earning is 574,560 naira. And my dear friend, this is a good offer. This is on a monthly basis, investing, let's say, approximately 4 million naira in this platform. Your bank will never give you 574,560 naira on a monthly basis, just leaving your money sitting in the bank. So if you are out there and you are looking for an opportunity to start making money online, well, this is that platform, the opportunity you have been looking for. So my dear friends, this is the strategies that can make you earn at least from 100k to 500k on a monthly basis. It all depends on the amount of money you are willing to invest or you are ready to invest. So this is the information I just wanted to reveal to you. I feel you should be part of this opportunity, and if you want to really invest in this opportunity, these are my contact details. You can visit my site at digitallearner.com or send me an email at support@digitallearner.com, or just send me a WhatsApp message and I will follow up and help you succeed in this business. Now, the advantage of joining my team is that you don't need to recruit any person. If you have to recruit, you don't need to do the talking, because we have trainings on a weekly basis that help you. We will help you grow your team. If you want to build the networking aspect of it, we will help you succeed, because when you join my team, we place people under you who equally help you grow in the business. If you are out there and you are looking for an opportunity to make money online, this is that opportunity you have been looking for, my friend. Go ahead and chat me up on WhatsApp. You can send me an email and I will see how best I can assist you grow in this business. So basically, without bringing anybody, this is exactly what you'll be earning on a monthly basis, depending on the level you are entering with. So if this business is a good one for you, go ahead and check it out. You can share this video with friends, with family members who will be interested in such business. I would love to have you in my team. And once again, go ahead and chat me up on WhatsApp, hit me an email, and I will definitely reply back and see how I can help you grow in this business. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the other side.